I would like to demonstrate today a concept of collective long-term memory. So imagine you are working in a business department in your organization, and day-to-day job is basically to answer tons of customer requests, to communicate to internal stakeholders, get information from different invoices, and so on and so on. And at some point, you basically get so much on your tables that you forget something and lose information which is critical for your business. Today, I would like to show you that maybe there is a way not to do it. So we will have two simple examples. So you are having a normal conversation with your customer, and you receive a message from your customer explaining you their structure of a team. So in one region they have 50 people, in another region they have basically in DACH region they have 500 people, and in total they have thousands of people. And then our basically multi-agent system extract all necessary information which you were willing yourself maybe to remember into saved memories, which you can access from any point of time and could use it in future to improve basically a conversation with your customer and to remember everything what is necessary. So the second example would be more on invoice level. So imagine you receive a request from your customer explaining that something have happened in invoice with certain uh, number, that there are a couple of items attached to it, and there is information about total cost and action basically which needs to be taken. So we basically start our extractor, and let's see what happens. So we basically get information that invoice number, which corresponds to this information, basically is in the process. So then we got points that there are 15 agents with certain price. So then we go down and see that some additional items are there. The total of 30,000 euros, and basically it's a summary that there is a request with some confirmation needs to be done. So we also extracted all of that. We saved it to our long-term memory, and we have it available for us at any point of time. How great is it, right? And let's understand a bit better how it works. So we basically have a multi-agent system. We have one agent, which called in this case knowledge extractor, which primarily focuses on extracting interesting entities. When I say interesting, it means business related, like information about account, invoice, your customer specific data, and so on, etc. from the conversation. Then we basically, when we done extracting those items, knowledge reviewer basically looks into what have been extracted. It compares what already exists into memories. It tries to give feedback to knowledge extractor and basically communicate if there are any issues happened to in its view. In this particular example, we had no issues. We have a perfect AI analysis performed by a knowledge extractor, which is great. And then we go to the next step, which is action assigner. And action assigner job is to basically look in again into saved memories and to perform an action with extracted new memory. So we have three actions currently: is to create a new entity if it doesn't exist, to update existing one, or to delete if the information is contradicts to what were mentioned. Right. And the last one is also reviewing and giving feedback to existing action assigner. Let's have another one. Basically, I my company, let's say my company is B2C, because we had memories that it's B2B actually. So now what supposed to happen that we analyze that it's B2C and we need to update this existing instance. So we got exactly that. So we got update operation, and now you have your new company assigned as B2B. Uh, nonetheless, we can also not remember anything if it's not related. So let's say it was nice talking to you. This information obviously is not related to business, and as we can see, our knowledge extractor and other agents think the same way, and this information was not inserted. All right, thank you very much for staying with me. Stay tuned.